This tutorial will provide users with an overview of the SLO Assessment Workspace, and guide users through the process of entering SLO assessment results into Taskstream. Taskstream is a cloud-based data management system that will be accessible to you through your web browser. Taskstream has been set up to use your UK Link Blue ID. You will access Taskstream by following one of the Taskstream links on the Office of Strategic Planning and Institutional Effectiveness's website. When you reach the sign-on page, you should enter your UK Link Blue ID and password, and log in. Once you have signed in, you should only see the programs you have assigned to you. Please contact our office if you do not see the appropriate program. For training purposes, I will use the Agricultural Economics Bachelor Program's Student Learning Assessment Workspace. At the moment, ignore the drop-down menu on the right. Click the link to enter the workspace. Once in the workspace, you should turn your attention to the column on the left of your screen. For simplicity, we will initially select Collapse All. You should now see Standing Requirements, Assessment Plan, and each of the assessment cycles. Many of these areas have already been completed for you using materials that were previously submitted to the Office of Assessment. Under the Standing Requirements section are the program's mission statement and student learning outcomes. If you need to change any of these standing requirements, you can do so by selecting the item, checking out the item, and selecting Edit. Once you have completed your edits, select Submit and return to the main workspace. Please take a moment to review your student learning outcomes. These outcomes are directly connected to the assessment results you will be entering, so you will want to ensure they're correct and current. You should also see a column for mapping. In the future, we may use this function to map outcomes to UK core or items on the strategic agenda. For now, it is only being used to map to GCSE requirements of undergraduate programs. Under Assessment Plan, you can review and update the details of your program's assessment plan, if necessary. I will also call your attention to a few additional areas in the left-hand column. You can use the Appendices section if you need to upload additional documents about your assessment plan. Additionally, the curriculum map will allow you to see in which courses that each of the student outcome is introduced, reinforced, applied, or aligned. Select Print to view the curriculum map. Outcomes are listed across the top of the curriculum map, and each row is a course in your program. Now to enter your assessment results. Any results from previous years should already have been entered. You are now entering your current results. Go to the appropriate cycle and select Assessment Activities. Again, you will check out the area. You now want to pull your learning outcome into the space. To do so, choose Select Set. And then at the top of your screen, choose Select Existing Set. You should now see the student learning outcome set for your program. Choose this set and submit. When the outcomes appear on your screen, choose the outcome, or outcomes, you are assessing during this cycle. Go back to the top of your screen and select Accept, and return to Plan. You should now see the selected outcomes from your learning outcome set. To add your assessment method, choose Add New Measure. Once in the measure screen, you should begin entering the data into the appropriate fields. You can copy and paste them directly from your assessment results template. Choose the measure type from the drop-down and completed the remaining fields on the form. Once you have completed the form, select Apply Changes. If you have any attachments, such as a table or rubric, you can attach them after you have saved your measure. To do so, select Add or Edit Attachments and Link, and upload the file as you normally would do. You will now enter the assessment results. From the left column, select Assessment Results. Expand the tab for Result per Measure. Scroll down and click Add Results. If you do not see an Add Results button, make sure you have the space checked out. Complete the form. At the bottom of the form, use the radio buttons to identify your target, or benchmark, as met, not met, or exceeded. Submit. You have now entered your SLO assessment results.